How do I transfer a gift card balance to PayPal?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how to transfer a gift card balance to PayPal. If you've received a gift card and you prefer using PayPal for your online transactions, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started.
Can you transfer a gift card balance to PayPal?
Before we dive into the steps, let's address an important question. Can you transfer a gift card balance to PayPal? Unfortunately, the direct transfer of a gift card balance to PayPal is not supported by PayPal itself. However, there is a workaround that you can use to make this possible.
Using a gift card exchange service.
To transfer your gift card balance to PayPal, you can utilize the services of a gift card exchange platform. These platforms allow you to exchange your gift card for PayPal funds or sell your gift card for cash, which you can then transfer to your PayPal account. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Research reputable gift card exchange platforms. Look for trustworthy platforms that have positive reviews and a reliable track record. Make sure the platform you choose supports the specific gift card you have. 2. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the gift card exchange platform of your choice. Provide the necessary information to create your account. 3. Enter your gift card details. Enter the details of your gift card, including the card's value and any additional information required by the platform. 4. Choose PayPal as the payout option. Select PayPal as your preferred payout method. This ensures that you receive the funds in your PayPal account. 5. Review the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions of the gift card exchange platform. Make sure you understand any fees or limitations associated with the exchange. 6. Submit your request. Submit your request to exchange your gift card for PayPal funds. The platform will process your request and provide further instructions. 7. Follow the platform's instructions. Follow the instructions provided by the platform to complete the exchange. This may involve sending your gift card to the platform or providing the necessary codes or information. 8. Receive PayPal funds. Once the platform verifies your gift card, you'll receive PayPal funds in exchange. These funds will be deposited into your PayPal account, and you can then use them for your online transactions. And there you have it. While PayPal doesn't directly support transferring gift card balances, using a gift card exchange service can help you convert your gift card into PayPal funds. Remember to research reputable platforms and carefully follow the instructions provided by the platform you choose. With this workaround, you'll be able to utilize your gift card balance through your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting!